I have did a review for this very first batch of Mazda RX7. It's a nice casting, except you have to fix your own side mirror. And for the very first time, there's a lack of details on the rear for this initial batch of RX7. And now here's the latest release, the RX7 in black and white. Just like the Honda Civic Type R, this pair of Mazda RX7 is different from the previous. It's the 97 RX7 as compared to the earlier version, which is 91. Let's take a closer look at the 97 Mazda RX7 in white. Needless to say, in terms of details, TLV is spot on, except for the side mirror, which you have to assemble yourself, which I have also did a tutorial video to guide you through it. The link is down below. TLV also adds some additional details to the rear light, which is good, and unlike the Tomica premium Ferraris, it does not have a retractable headlights, which I guess may affect the realism of the casting. This casting also reminds me of the Initial D RedSuns version as well. Initial D theme aside, somehow I like the black. It looks really premium in high gloss finish, and what's caught my attention is the lace wheel. It matches this RX7 casting perfectly, and I must say this is my most favorite among all of the RX7, and it really makes this casting stand out among the rest. Overall, the 97 RX7 has slightly more details than the 91. They are very well made castings, but I do hope that it will come pre-installed with side mirror. We do not have to go through the hassle of fixing them ourselves at such a high price point. When compared with the 91, the noticeable difference I see is the spoiler and the wheel set. I'm very happy that TLV makes the call to do up all these fabulous Mazda RX7. Not only it comes out in the Initial D RedSuns theme in yellow and white, it's available in other striking color as well, such as the high gloss black and red body finish. There will also be a dark blue and Japanese police version, which I'm looking very forward to in 2019. Thanks everyone, bye!